Hello beautiful people, it's Neelam and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe my channel. Also, today we are going to convert my husband's old shirt into a beautiful top, which I am wearing right now. See? Do you want to know how I did it? So, I'll definitely going to show you how I did it. Also, I made a statement neck piece for myself. I actually liked it very much. It's really looking nice. So let's get started.
So this is the original shirt that I'm going to use. Well, to be honest, I have worn it like this as well. I just tuck it in my jeans or jeggings and then voila. I actually like men's shirts. First thing first, I'm going to cut the pattern. Without cutting pattern, I cannot make any dress. I'm sorry, I'm not showing you the whole process of making the pattern because I'm not a professional pattern maker. I just did it according to myself. So this is the outcome. This is the front portion. This is the back portion. And I'm going to alter my sleeve pattern because I need a fuller sleeve, puff sleeve. So I'm going to add some puff in my pattern first and then in the fabric. So I'm cutting it like this. I'm going to recreate this pattern because I need a proper pattern so that I can cut the fabric accordingly. So I'm just recreating it with all the gaps. So now is the time to cut the fabric. I'm just putting my pattern on the fabric and marking it down. I've already marked it actually, so I'm just cutting it now. I'll cut the whole pattern like this. So this is what I've got after cutting all the patterns. Front portion, bottom and top, then back portion, and obviously sleeves, 2 sleeves. I first stitch the front part, top and the bottom, and then will attach it to the back portion, giving darts on the chest area so that I can get the perfect fit from front. Now is the time to construct the sleeves. So I'm going to pleat my sleeves upper portion so that I get fuller look on my shoulder areas. Now I'm adding facings in my front and back necklines. This is how it will look after facing is done. Finished look, front and the back. Now is the time to attach the sleeves. Once sleeves are attached, it will look like this. And I'll be putting elastic here, so that it can stretch and can hold onto my shoulders. Now elastic is attached and it is looking like this. Now I'm going to attach these cuffs to my sleeves hem. To add some detailing and to give a fitted look from my arms. This top is ready now. I wanted to be more creative, so I cut this collar and I'm going to use this as a statement necklace. Not like this, I'm going to add something on it. To make this statement necklace, you need few things like something to stick on like pearls and crystals, and obviously something to stick with like fabric glue. So I'm using these, and you can use tweezer to hold the pearls, and I'm using toothpicks to stick the crystals. Just spread the fabric glue in dots like this and put your embellishment as you wish for. And ta-da! It's ready. Just let it dry overnight and you are done. Can I have a drum roll, please?
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright when moving on.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned to it to get more amazing videos. Sayonara.